likes dashing. She likes dashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
Welcome to another episode of The Gist right here on Plug TV Live. My name is Sarah and I have a lot of exciting gist for us to talk about. But first things first, I would wish you a Merry Christmas because we're in the Christmas spirit. It's Christmas season. Everyone is happy. Everyone is excited. Of course, I'm very excited as well to be here and to talk to every one of you. Now, if you have not subscribed to Plug TV Live, please do that right now. Okay, just click on the subscribe button, and of course, after this video, you could then go on a watching spree, watch all of our videos. Don't forget to like all of them and share. Very, very important. So now, let's gist. Now, you will recall that a certain blog decided to come up with a list of best dressed Nigerian artists and put Timaya on that list, which is not a bad thing because we know that Timaya is actually a very, very good dresser. But then Timaya came out and said no one should ever put him on a best dressed list again because most of these guys or most of Nigerian celebrities have tailors as friends. Basically, he's trying to say he doesn't have tailors as friends. And then he said they also wear fake designers. So Timaya was just trying to say that he wears original designers and most of your faves wear fake designers, and it did not sit well with a lot of celebrities. Everyone came out, talking about it and all of that. But now the one that caught the media's attention is Hushpuppi. So Hushpuppi decided to say that he said something like this in 2017, and Timaya teamed up with Fino and made a song about him, trying to shade him for saying that Nigerian artists or Nigerian celebrities wear fake designers. And now he's saying they're just blatant hypocrites because what he said in 2017 is what Timaya is saying right now, and he doesn't understand it. But then Timaya now made a video saying that Hushpuppi should stop talking from wherever he is. He went on to insinuate that Hushpuppi was on exile and that he should come to Nigeria if he shot for him.
We don't respond to people on exile. if you get mad, come home. Or hush your mouth. Stop talking from afar.
But then Hushpuppi has also gone further to, try and shut down Timaya. He just tried to shut him down.
àwọn WIZKID, àwọn DAvido, àwọn Dibangji tó ń máa ṣọ gidi sọ́run gan-an ní industry. Sọ̀rọ̀ olórí burúkú ìyá ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀.
And then they're just going back at each other on social media. And it makes me wonder, these guys really have time. They have time. Rich men have time. But anyways, that's the whole gist right now with, Nigerian celebrities, fake designers, Hushpuppi, and Timaya. Woo, a mouthful. More on celebrity gist. Tonto Dikeh is on the news, and you know that every time, or almost every time, she makes it to the gist because she always has something to say. So she shared this DM of a certain sugar daddy who sent her a message saying that he needed a sugar girl and he would be giving the girl $400 per week. And then Tonto Dikeh says, do I look like someone who actually needs $400? Then she goes further to say that I'm going to be giving you $1,000 every week just for you to be my sugar boy. There's nothing sweeter than a woman having enough money to send men back to hell if they have only money to offer. Does that even make sense? But you get what I mean, right? Okay, so now you will recall that a certain hate speech bill was passed in the Nigerian Senate. It's not a pass, but I mean, they're still working on it and they're still trying to talk about it. So now this senator has now come forward to say that a lot of Nigerians are supporting the hate speech bill. And it makes me wonder, who exactly are these Nigerians? He goes further to say that professionals from different walks of life, from different industries in Nigeria are saying that the bill is a beautiful one, that we need to regulate people's speeches, and everyone is confused. Where is this coming from? So now my question is, are you a Nigerian? Do you work in a certain industry? Are you up to 18 years? Do you support the hate speech bill? Now send us a message, comment on this video right now because we really need to know and we really need to sort this thing out. And the senator also said that anyone who doesn't support the bill actually hates Nigeria. Well, that's everything on this situation. Be sure to join us again and we'll keep you updated with everything you need to know about the hate speech bill in Nigeria. We'll go on a short break and we'll be right back. Welcome back to Plugtv Live. This is the gist, and now more stories for you. Actor Jemima Osunde, who is very, very beautiful and has a lot of men drooling over her pictures and everything on social media, has finally got to the fair share of what Twitter dragging is all about. So then she made this tweet online saying that a certain man was asking her out aggressively in February, and now in December he's engaged. And then she goes further to say that it is either he was in a relationship at that time or he already got married. And then she said limao. Limao, for people that don't know, is LMAO, laughing my ass out. So, and then she made it so long, and then the whole Twitter went crazy, and then everyone said that the limao thing she put there was because she was heartbroken, and people just started dragging her and saying 10 months is enough for a man to move on from you and all of that. So now I'm asking, do you think 10 months is enough to move on from someone? I mean, if you're a lady and a guy is asking you out in February and by December you hear that he's engaged, would you find that normal? Would you think that is okay? And if you're a man, do you think that you can ask a lady out with everything you have in February and in December you're with another girl? I mean, I personally think that we can move on. You can move on in a day. All you need is to find someone else that will distract you, or something else that will distract you. But then we want to hear your thoughts. Tell me what you think about it, okay? So now it is, finally, we have good news for Nigerians. It's not every time that we get good news from, regulating bodies and all of that. The Central Bank of Nigeria has come out to say that they're going to be slashing bank charges for us. Yes. So we're going to start off with this one. You know that whenever you withdraw from a bank or an ATM that is not your actual bank, after the third trial or after the third withdrawal, you start being charged 65 naira. So now the CBN has reduced it. It's no longer 65 naira. It will now be 35 naira. Great news, right? Now also they have said that if you're going to be transferring money, normal transfer charges, which is 52 naira, they have said that if you're going to be transferring below 5,000 naira, they'll be deducting just 10 naira. If you're going to be transferring below 50,000 naira, they'll be deducting 25 naira. And if you're going to be transferring above 50,000 naira, then they'll deduct 50 naira. Makes sense, right? Also, this is not all. Then it said for normal maintenance fees and everything that these banks charge us for, and you find out that at the end of the year you're losing 600 naira, they've reduced it, and at the end of every year you'll be losing just 200 naira. Great news, right? So yes, the CBN is finally considerate, and we're hoping that one day they're going to make these things free, because I really don't know why we're being charged for it. But that is everything we have for you right here on The Gist. I'm sure that you have been informed as well entertained. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it as well if you've had fun listening to us and enjoying the show. The name is Sarah, and I'll be back again with more exciting episodes right here for you on The Gist on Plugtv Live. Have a Merry Christmas once again. Bye.